Okay, first let's go through the functionality of HVplot. So we got here is the actual pan where you can interact. This is to zoom in, which we won't be needing. This is to save, a quick button to restart the operation, and this is to hover. Cool. So now let's go through the actual scat plot. The scat plot shows us the relationship between the reward and difficulty, which we have over here, rewards and difficulty. This plot shows us the reward for buy one get one free, discount and informational. Let's say we want to focus on buy one get one free. We deselect the discount and information, which leaves us with these two plots. Alright, so what we see here is the offer type, buy one get one free. It is in between 4 and 6, which is 5, as well as difficulty 5. It's an average offer, and the difficult the offer, the higher the reward, which is in this case is 10 on each. If we deselect discount, same thing applies to it. It's just the between 5, so discount 5, difficulty 20. What they mean by difficulty is, as shown in my dataset, if we go to the profile dataset, there it is, difficulty. So difficulty can mean how hard it was to reach the customer. Could be by email, mobile, social media, whatever the dataset requires. Back to my dashboard, and last but not least, informational. Informational could be like personal discounts or whatever. This is all the way at the bottom, which says that the customer received nothing over here. However, if we change the reward to difficulty, it becomes, no, if we change difficulty, we have to change this to durational, which durational means, go back, durational over here, it means how long it lasted. So let's have a look. We have the discount is around 20, so the duration, it only lasted for like 10 minutes, but it was hard to get, which is all the way at 20. Same as shown in the rest of the plot. Anyways, you get the gist of it. I've purposely changed each discount or offer in different colors. That's for the user's easy readability. And next up we have the profile bar chart. This is based on the profile dataset that we obtained from Starbucks. This dataset shows us, if we can just restart it for the best view, it shows us the demographics between gender and age group. As we can see, female is about 70k members, male about 60, which we already explained, and other. It also shows the income on this right hand side column. Okay, and if we by a click of a button, we can change the demographics. As we been through in the visualization notebook, we have youth, middle age, retired and aging. For youth, as we mentioned, it was about 18 to 26 as far as I remember, and their income was just about 50k. And for middle age, it's about 64, retired 70 and aging 71. Again, this is a nice and easy way for the user or stakeholders to view or understand the dataset without having to go through the whole code, and this is if they were non-technical. Again, it shows you a detailed progress of the datasets on the right hand side. And lastly, we have the distribution of sales and rewards. This is for the transcript dataset, I believe. Okay, what we are shown here is the reward and sales bar chart. For sales, we have a total of 26,000 for the highest, 30,000 for the next highest, and so on and so forth. This dataset shows us also rewards. If just by a click of a button you can change the rewards. So what is shown in this dataset is rewards. A customer gets around $5 on average as a reward. That could be any of the discount, buy one get one free, whatever. And the lowest is about I'm assuming that is $3. Also, if we go back to sales, we can see that the highest spent is about $1.0048. This, I'm assuming it could be coffee, tea, because that's the range that specific product cost, and it is the highest, which makes sense because this is a dataset for Starbucks. And the least and the most highest purchased is around 11 per customer. That could be a whole meal, a meal for two, it could depend. And that is my dashboard discussed and finalized. I hope you enjoyed and understood my project. For any more clarity or discussion, I should be available for the Viva and explain it more. Thank you for tuning in, and goodbye.